48 volt 1000 watt MotoTec mini bike. All electric, baby. What do you think of it, Sade? Think it rips? You love it? Let's see what you can do with this thing. She's hauling some booty.